This is the slightly modified harness for the Smart Fortwo electric drive. If you'll notice, the pins had to be moved from the standard locations, and you can see that the yellow, the red, and the orange have been moved. The yellow is the constant power source that goes into the second pin from the top on the right. The orange has to be moved from the top left down to the second from the bottom. The black, as you can see, is still on the bottom on the right. The red is moved to the bottom on the left, and then the blue is in the second one up from the bottom on the left. That one does not move. That is the standard location for this particular wiring harness. The wires on the left are all speaker connections, and they seem to all be correct.